Welcome to Ajayastro Mani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we bring you important insights on the recent surge in guar seed and gum prices. In Jodhpur, on September 23, guar seed and gum prices have continued to rise, driven by expectations of lower production due to crop damage in irrigated areas. These production challenges are pushing prices upward across both the physical and futures markets. In the physical market, guar seed prices surged to an average range of 5,000 rupees to 5,300 rupees per quintal in auctions. In Jodhpur, the price reached 5,600 rupees per quintal, marking an increase of 100 rupees. Meanwhile, guar gum prices also saw significant gains, climbing 350 rupees to reach 11,350 rupees per quintal. Total arrivals in the market were recorded at approximately 13,200 bags, indicating robust demand despite production concerns. In the futures market, guar gum for October delivery closed at 11,273 rupees per quintal, reflecting a rise of 310 rupees, a 2.83%. The day's trading saw prices range from a low of 11,001 rupees to a high of 11,280 rupees. Similarly, guar seed futures for October delivery ended at 5,684 rupees per quintal, up by 132 rupees, a 2.38%, with price fluctuations between 5,565 rupees and 5,684 rupees. The increase in guar seed and gum prices is driven by lower production forecasts, which will likely continue to put upward pressure on prices in the near term. Market participants should keep a close watch on this trend as the season progresses. The October guar seed contract settled at 5,684 rupees per quintal, marking a 132 rupees increase over the previous close of 5,552 rupees. The trading range for the day was between 5,565 rupees and 5,684 rupees. Open interest for the contract increased by 47,715 metric tons to 47,750 metric tons, and trading volume rose by 27,480 to 27,520 metric tons. For November delivery, guar seed settled at 5,754 rupees per quintal, also showing a 132 rupees rise over the previous close of 5,622 rupees. The trading range was between 5,636 rupees and 5,758 rupees. However, open interest decreased by 42,360 metric tons to 7,460 metric tons, and trading volume dropped by 24,200 to 5,405 metric tons. Currently, the spread between October and November contracts stands at -70 rupees per quintal. As of September 23, guar seed stock in NCDEX accredited warehouses was 14,456 metric tons. In the guar gum market, the October contract settled at 11,273 rupees per quintal, marking a 310 rupees increase over the previous close of 10,963 rupees. The trading range for the day was between 11,001 rupees and 11,280 rupees. Open interest increased by 46,125 metric tons to 46,145 metric tons, while trading volume rose by 14,970 to 15,010 metric tons. For November delivery, guar gum settled at 11,430 rupees per quintal, showing an increase of 331 rupees over the previous close of 11,099 rupees. The trading range was between 11,158 rupees and 11,440 rupees. Open interest decreased by 39,960 metric tons to 8,850 metric tons, and trading volume dropped by 8,105 to 5,745 metric tons. The spread between the October and November contracts is currently -157 rupees per quintal. As of September 23, guar gum stock in NCDEX accredited warehouses was recorded at 50,676 metric tons. That's all for today's update on guar seed and gum prices. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mani Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest market insights. Thank you for watching.